Okay, so we're going to add 3 main vegetables to our stir fry. And the first one is the carrot. Carrots are great. They add a little sweetness to everything. We're going to trim off that end, wash it off, and peel it. And there's a special way to cut the carrots which is you slice them on a diagonal this way, thinly, as thinly as you can manage it. And if you can't manage it very thinly, it's nothing to worry about. And if you have a Julienne knife, use that, although it can be a little problematic because sometimes the carrots are a little too thin. But mainly you want to get that flavor of the carrots into your stir fry. And then once they're cut this way, thinly cut them into little sherds of carrot. Careful with your fingers too. So we'll continue to do this. Put it in our ramekin and set it aside for when we cut